Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert plain text into columns in Excel. In order to do that, I have created 50 random names with job titles, address, phone number, and email, and I will convert it very easily into the columns in Excel. As you can realize that every single data has a comma in between, it's separated, and at the top I have put the column names that I want to have inside my table. I put name, job title, address, phone number, and email. So we're coming to the first data, clicking this, and after that from our keyboard we are simply clicking and hold Control, Shift and down arrow, and we're selecting the entire data. And after that we are pressing and releasing the Alt key, pressing and releasing A key, pressing and releasing E key. And as you can see, we have now convert text to columns wizard opened, and we have the first section here. We do nothing, we're leaving as it is, clicking next, and from here opening we are clicking comma, we are separating the data with comma. As you can see here, we have in our text, clicking next, and finally doing nothing, clicking finish. And as you can see, our data has converted to columns. So let's fix this, selecting all the columns in above, coming here, clicking twice, and columns expanded automatically. Let's also some borders, clicking once again Control, Shift and down arrow, Control, Shift and right arrow. We are selecting every data inside our table, coming to home, and from the font section we are simply selecting the borders that we want, and I want the outer border to be more bold, and voila. Also the names here can be bolder and be in the middle. Also I want to delete the empty row, and as you can see, I have converted the plain text into the table very easily. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.